The opportunities for Druva, one on the product side, what we're building in data protection and data management is unique the way we're doing it. So there's a ton of opportunity for the market and for us, and so we're ahead of the competition. So from a career perspective, that's really exciting, right? You get to play on the frontier, doing really cool and new things. As we grow at a really rapid pace, it's really important to have discipline as a company. So discipline in terms of hiring, discipline in terms of decision making, both for those that we select, as well as our business decisions. The second thing that's really important as we grow is to have courage, and courage in terms of challenging one another, courage to actually live our values, to make sure that we're making the best decisions possible. That is a very difficult thing when there's a ton of pressure to grow, and to grow really quickly. Druva is a really exciting place. There are so many smart people, so many passionate people. There are a lot of career opportunities. Just as the company grows, so do careers. And we really enjoy each other's company. We have a lot of fun together. So I'm really, really happy and excited to be here.